Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a screen recorder. For me it is visible right over here, so once you see yours, which might be on some page, so you might want to flick through the pages. But anyway, once you find it, you can simply tap on it. It brings you this pop-up window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and also letting you record the taps and touches on the screen, which will be represented by a semi-transparent gray dot. Now when it comes down to audio, you have three options: device audio and microphone, microphone or device audio. Now when using the first option, which is both, I would strongly recommend using headphones for this, as if you don't, what will probably happen is the device will record the audio of the phone itself internally on a software side, and then it's going to get played through the speakers. Once it gets placed through the speakers, microphone will pick it up for the second time, so it will create an unwanted echo effect. Now I am going to enable the second option, that the touches, just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. Anyway, from there select record. It begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. Once you're done, you can pull down your notifications again and then select stop right up here, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application, which should be somewhere in the Google folder. Oh, there we go. That being said, your screen recording will be visible in the main Photos tab. Now it is under a catalog album called Movies, so it will get confusing later on because in the same catalog you will find things like your videos that you have captured with the device, movies, any kind of video content that you have downloaded will be also in here. Now with that being said, typically in here you'll also find photos and other things, so there will be several albums visible with just a bunch of like photos, videos and other content visible as a preview. So if you want to view basically everything that is in there, you'd tap on the actual name, so movies, and this will take you to that said album where you can then scroll through the visible content that is in that album. Now, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.